What's going on, guys? Keeping things short and sweet just for you guys so I can get you right into the drift event footage. I wasn't able to record as much as I actually wanted to because I don't have my own personal camera guy, obviously. So it was basically me just trying to record as much as I possibly could while running the drift event. Also, the guys helped me out a lot too, just like trying to get everything to run smoothly. But again, I wasn't really able to get everything that I wanted to, so all the footage might not have some commentary and things like that. It's just because I was running around with my head cut off for the day. And then, like I said, I had other prior stuff going on, like with my whole daily that you guys saw in the previous video. But basically what I'm going to do is just jump right in, get you guys into that footage, and enjoy it. Look who it is!
Ready, boy? 88 on the
Where do you want it? Down low, up top?
Doesn't matter. Wherever you want to put it, man.
Where do you want it?
Put it right here. Right underneath that. You feel good? Stay Jeremy just put the stick. Oh, good. Nice.
So sorry guys, I haven't been able to record. It's been absolutely insane. Basically at Thompson the schedule was kind of messed up, not with us or the track, it was with this tent company thing, whatever. But everyone's out here, so we got tons of people out here. So it's sick. We got these guys and we got a whole lineup down here. So it's going pretty well. I'm kind of like officiating the whole thing with the guys, like with the group. So it's like I said, it's going well. It's a little crazy, but we're grilling right now. We took a little break off the track, and then basically what we're gonna do, we're just gonna get right back into it. So I'm gonna start recording from here on out, basically trying to get some driving time, things like that throughout the whole entire thing. So there's Artie. By the way, shout out to these two coming out, freaking Trackside Media out here, loving it. So are you guys having a blast?
Yes.
Awesome. But no, huge shout out to these guys coming out and actually taking pictures of all these cars. Like I said, some people don't even get a lot of media time in general when there's a huge event because there's just so many cars and so many shots for them to go through and edit. So it's pretty sick. But yeah, so now we're cooking out and we're gonna rip it up.
Yeah, you guys. I had to the third one the last time.
hopefully you guys liked the footage. I'm sorry that I couldn't get a lot more of different cars driving, and I mean, just trying to get different angles of my car and everything. It was just super tough, especially with everything going on during the event. All my cameras died, so I have 2 batteries per each. I had to charge my phone too, and it was just crazy. So, but it was crazy. It was dope. I know all the guys enjoyed it. Thank you everyone that came out. We had a blast. It was so much fun. We're trying to plan the next one as soon as possible. Again, sorry for not being able to get the footage up as quickly as I wanted to. It's been a lot of stuff going on. So, but I extremely appreciate everything everyone did that was there to help out with the event, and all you guys that came and just shredded and killed it. It was so much fun. I've never had that much fun in a long time. So it was a blast. It was a blast. Going on from there, guys, buy your merch. I'll drop it in the ending of this video again, and I'll see you guys soon. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Thank you.